Welcome to our latest video, where we'll be taking a closer look at the all-new 2023 Mercedes-AMG E63 S Wagon. This is a car that truly defies expectations and combines the best of both worlds: the practicality of a wagon with the performance of a supercar. It's a car that will turn heads and leave you grinning from ear to ear every time you drive it. Design. From the outside, the 2023 Mercedes-AMG E63 S Wagon is a feast for the eyes. The sleek lines and aggressive stance give it a sporty look that sets it apart from other wagons on the market. The AMG-specific front splitter, rear diffuser, and side skirts add a touch of race-inspired flair, while the quad exhaust pipes let everyone know that this is no ordinary wagon. Under the hood. Under the hood, the 2023 Mercedes-AMG E63 S Wagon packs a serious punch. It's powered by a 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine that produces a staggering 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. This means that the AMG E63 S Wagon can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds and hit a top speed of 186 miles per hour. But what's even more impressive is that it can do all this while still being able to comfortably seat up to 5 people and carry all their cargo in the spacious trunk. Interior. Inside the 2023 Mercedes-AMG E63 S Wagon, you'll find a cabin that is both luxurious and sporty. The leather-wrapped seats are both heated and cooled, and the AMG-specific steering wheel is a work of art. The infotainment system is easy to use and packed with features, and the Burmester sound system will blow your mind. Driving experience. But what truly sets the 2023 Mercedes-AMG E63 S Wagon apart is the driving experience. The car is equipped with AMG's Advanced Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system and a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift MCT transmission. This means that the car is able to put all of its power to the ground, giving you incredible traction and handling. And with the ability to adjust the suspension, steering, and transmission settings, you can fine-tune the car to suit your driving style. Conclusion. The 2023 Mercedes-AMG E63 S Wagon is a car that truly defies expectations. It's a wagon that can outperform most sports cars, and a supercar that can comfortably seat your whole family. It's a car that will make you look forward to every drive, and one that you'll never want to get out of. If you're looking for a car that is practical, powerful, and downright fun to drive, then the 2023 Mercedes-AMG E63 S Wagon is the car for you. So that's it for our video on the 2023 Mercedes-AMG E63 S Wagon. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and videos.